So guys, this is my dinner and this is the lemonade lemon juice. I blended it using this machine. Yeah, it is a Ramtom machine. I don't know Ramtom. That's how it is. This is my juice. It's really amazing. Be having my dinner. I'm still in the kitchen. So this is the food that I was making. I'll be showing you. Hi everyone. Today we are in the kitchen this night and I'm about to record this video in my kitchen. I tried this. Hi everyone. So we cooked and I'm about to make some lemon juice. So I'm about to, this is dinner on this day. I'm recording it at home. So this is the food that I was making. So guys, this is me again. This is another day. I was making a preparation to visit for Eid celebration. So as a Muslim, or in our culture, this is also the leg. As a Muslim, in our culture, when we have anything to do with the this is what I'm using. This is what I've been using to draw myself. So as you can see, these are flowers. In our traditional way, you can decorate your body by drawing these things. This is me who has done it. As you can see, it is the truth. This is the henna. We call it henna. Another one is this one. This is what I used. I only used water. And this is what, guys, I used, and I was just decorating my body. So this was during the Eid celebration, and luckily after Eid, that was on Friday, and on Saturday I was attending a wedding, a Somali wedding. So I decided to go decorate myself. This is the only that I was able to do. So guys, as you can see, I love short nails. You see, I just love short nails. I don't know why the focus here. I've focused it so well. So I'm just super excited, and I decided to share you the experience. I don't have anybody to hold the camera for me, but I was doing it since I also did it on my legs. Yeah guys, I'm at the home. So anybody who also want to be done by me, I'll be able to do. I know that I'm not perfect. There are people who do this a lot. Guys, see, we have some fruits that is pomegranate back in Africa. As you can see, these are flowers. And we also have this type of tree. This is passion tree. The passion tree also has it also has some flowers. And you guys, if you see flowers, it means that, let me show you, this is passion. If you see any flower, you see this is the fruit, that is passion fruit, and that is pomegranate. This is the flower for the pomegranate. Yeah, little flowers. Yeah, that is it. Another thing, this is a type of vegetable that we eat here in Africa, so I was just vlogging and decided to show you. Kama zawadi mpya, alafu angalia kainjini wenye kameko aisiata mngezitafutia pikipiki nini bwana, alafu tumekonda, sipendi sasa. Another thing is the palm tree. This is Nazi. I never knew that one day I can see palm tree. The other day it was just very little, now it's on top. Let me show you the dates. We also have the dates. So you see, this is the dates. It looks like the palm tree, but it's the dates. Tende. We can call it mtende. It has a, oh my god, it has some, yeah, the dates. Yeah, so very soon we're going to be eating the dates. And this is the pawpaw. Okay, this is the, okay, these the oranges. These are the oranges. So guys, hello, Eid Mubarak. Minal means, I don't know how to minal faizin, or I wish every Muslim Eidul Mubarak to everyone. Today, on this day, we had to slaughter a goat, and actually I've got a lot of meat to cut and preserve them in the fridge, and another one I can use so many types of ways of preserving meat. So I was cutting the meat into smaller pieces, and then I divide it into portions. Some meat will cook something called sambosa. Some meat will be cooked, I'll be cooking what we call katlesi, kababu. You know, I was cooking a lot of things using the meat that day. Katlesi it is a type of snack that is cooked with meat inside the potato. What you do is that you mash the potato, and then after mashing, you make a ball or a round shaped potato, mashed potato, and then you make some meatballs and insert them inside it. So because since it was celebration, I decided to pick my camera and do a vlog, simply because, you know guys, I started a YouTube channel, but it is so hard. Being a content creator, it's not easy at all. Being a content creator, you really need to be creative. You really need to bring content that are quite educational or quite educative to people. You are like an influencer. I mean, I don't just do YouTube. I'm also a big TikToker, and I really appreciate God because the TikTok are really paying me through gifts that I receive from people all over the world. I'm also you can get my page on Facebook and on Instagram. You know, when I was starting all this is not because I used to love it. I mean, I used to love picking my phone, taking camera, but you guys, this was not my aim to be a content creator in Kenya. It's because of it is also part of, it is a source of income too, because you're getting something out of what you're doing. You know, being a content creator or a YouTube influencer, it's something that is good because I just love doing things on social media. You know, guys, when I met my dear husband, he never loved the camera. He never wanted me to be associating myself with social media. That is when I he was not in Kenya. He was in Dubai, and you know, by visiting Dubai for the first time, everything looked good on me, and I just decided to be picking camera, posting video vlogs, and sometimes the vlogs used to go viral. And one of those days I posted, I was on TikTok live, and I just got a gift, and I thought that social media things, it's not, it is also a paying job. You can be, it pays a lot more than when you're working for somebody. When some, I mean, when you are employed, you are under rules, but when you are a content creator, you are not under any rules at all. You can do what you want. You can create content anytime that you want, according to timing. So I decided to give you just a small story as I was cutting the meat here. It was a lot of meat, it was a lot of job. Some of the meat is still in the fridge. It was quite a lot, and you know, it's been a long time since, you know, when I was starting to create content, I thought it's an easy job, but you guys, sometimes I lack content. Sometimes I don't know, I forget that I'm a content creator. I forgot to pick my camera and start vlogging. But you guys, please, if you're watching me, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep on supporting me. Guys, I can't believe we are heading to 3,000 subscribers after struggling for 4 good years on this YouTube platform. I really appreciate God. I knew that one day we are going to meet or reach our goal. Anyway, guys, I had to strain, struggle, and cut the meat into smaller pieces, because when you boil the meat that is cut into smaller, very smaller pieces, it is going to be soft, tender, and it is not going to stay for long cooking. You are going to cook it for little hours. So just keep enjoying the video, guys. I don't have more stories to tell.